Ayo, day 2. I am hyped. We got 2 beautiful days in a row. I got a different buddy with me this time. I got my buddy Joey over here. That's what the cat dragged in today. And the goal is to put another hurting on these steelhead. Trying to get him on steelhead because we never catch him when he goes with me. And other than that, it's beautiful out. So we're gonna enjoy the weather and just see what today brings us. I don't really know. We woke up really late though, so we got a late start to the day, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. We're gonna go grab some food, go grab some baits, and see what happens. You're exhausted. I walk over by your exhaust. Your exhaust is so loud. It's like, no.
I don't even know if you're gonna be able to hear yourself.
I know. I'm like, oh man. I really hope I don't drop the camera in the water right now, but yeah, we're just getting right into it today. Oh, hopefully I don't fall. This is really dumb. I don't know why I'm doing both, but yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it today, guys. I'm gonna throw it over to the GoPro, not mess around. Just gonna get fishing done. Oh, okay, we're putting the camera down. Literally meet up with Corey like just now. He already hooked up. Alrighty, so I'm starting off with a fly rod. Corey is over here just laying them out. So that's good. I mean, they're here. But I broke my drift rod, if you guys saw that in the last video. So I'm gonna just break out the fly rod. It's been a minute. But we'll see what happens. Go. Bam. Oh, he got off.
Wow. He spit it?
Yeah, he spit it.
Did he bend the hook?
I don't know. Something. Oh, man. Well, that pretty much sums up the day. It didn't go as good as yesterday. I thought it would go better, but what are you gonna do? So I hooked up to one fish on the center pin, which I've never used a center pin before, so that was interesting. I don't know how I feel about center pins, but it was fun. Joey here.
Might have got that on camera.
Oh yeah. Joey here, unfortunately. I don't know, he kind of sat around. He didn't really do much fishing, but he was pretty tired. We had a long night. But anyways, Corey nailed them like always. That's pretty much how it goes. So, I don't know. We got a lot of rain coming this week, so I'm really hoping it doesn't screw everything up, but it probably will. So, until then, we will see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.